Okay, so for this video, we're going to talk about compound units. Alright, so what are compound units? Compound unit is when you have, let's say, a bigger unit together with a smaller unit in the same line. Okay, so like for example, 6 meters and 75 centimeters together. Okay, you want to convert it into only centimeters. How do you do it? Okay, for this question, you have 5 kilometers and 11 meters. You want to convert everything to meters. How do you do it? And moving on to the harder question. Okay, how do we convert? Alright, we'll do step by step, starting from question 1. Okay, so question 1 is actually, let me copy it down again. Okay, so it's easier for you to see. So for question 1, let me change the color. Okay, so for question 1 is 6 meters and 75 centimeters. How do I convert these to centimeters? Okay, so first step is that we have to convert this meters portion, okay, into the smaller unit. Okay, so for example, okay, 6 meters will give you actually 600 centimeters. Okay, how do we know? Okay, based on the previous video when I taught you, okay, we actually know that converting units, okay, that 1 meter actually gives you 100 centimeters. Okay, and since 6 meters, okay, since now, okay, let me write that again. 1 meter gives you 100 centimeters. Okay, and how many meters does 6? How many centimeters does 6 meters give you? Okay, it's actually 6 times of 100. Okay, since 1 time of 1 meter gives you 100 centimeters, 6 times of a meter gives you 6 of 100. So it's like 6 multiplied by 100 to give you 600 centimeters. Another way to understand it is that actually, if let's say I have 1 meter, okay, it's as if I have a big bag here. So it's like a bigger unit, right? So it's as if I have a bag here and I have 100 of these centimeters inside. Okay, so I have 100 inside. Okay, I'm not going to draw all 100. Okay, it's going to take up a lot of time, but you get my idea. So if I have 100 centimeters in this so-called 1 meter bag, okay, means in other words, I rename this 100 centimeters into 1 meter. Okay, I actually rename it. So whenever I see 1 meter, I know it's 100 centimeters. Whenever I have 100 centimeters, I can rename it to 1 meter. Okay, so if 1 meter gives me 100 centimeters, my second meter, okay, which is another 1 meter, let's say I add another 1 meter, so I know it's 100 centimeters, right? Okay, my second meter, okay, should actually give me a total of 200 centimeters. And when I do this multiple times, so this 1 time, this is 2 times. If I want to do it 6 times, okay, so I have to get 6 multiplied by 100 to give me 600 centimeters here. Okay, so I know that 6 meters actually give me 600 centimeters. Okay, and 75 centimeters, okay, is actually 75 centimeters. I mean, what else is it, right? So when I add these together, I should get 675 centimeters. Okay, actually I'm running out of time, so I'm going to I'm going to show you all the other questions in a later video. But if you do need to, if you don't understand what I've been saying, okay, I think it will be useful if you look through or rewind the video again, okay, to try to get a good idea of how you actually convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. And I think a good way to understand it is that you see the bigger unit as a packet, okay, as a packet. Like for example, 1 meter is a packet of smaller 100 centimeter pieces.